Hi, my name is Tracy D. Hall. I am the president of Southwest Tennessee Community College. My presentation will be redesign, reinvent, and reset the student experience, organizing for large systemic change. I think our nation needs transformation on the social, economic, and criminal justice fronts. Not since the civil rights movement have we witnessed such a cataclysmic social change. George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, the mass shootings, all of this during a public health crisis. So, in addition to the home, I believe that the classroom and college campuses are ideal places to address these crises. Higher education is integral to a community's social, economic, and physical health. And that transformation is no longer a choice. If we are to meet this moment, meet the needs of our communities, we must continue to innovate and transform what and how we teach and serve in order to remain relevant in this changing nation. I hope during my session there will be three takeaways. So first is that broad transformational change is possible. Organizations can tackle lofty, bold, and audacious goals to achieve deep, meaningful transformation through a holistic approach that includes a strong governance structure, shared learning, leadership, and input from across the organization, and through buy-in and built-in accountability. The second takeaway is to take a systems thinking approach to organizational change. Do not tinker around the edges. Don't be afraid to color outside of the lines. Boldness and creativity can lead to amazing institutional cultural changes. And a final takeaway is what we already know. Begin with the students in mind and work from there. Transform the student experience first. And in doing so, you will develop a fantastic roadmap for top to bottom organizational change. This conference is more than a meeting of the minds. It's where kindred spirits unite in a shared passion for higher education and a commitment to transforming the lives of students across our nation through innovations in teaching and learning. HEI is where you will not only meet like-minded and like-motivated professionals, it is where you come face to face with innovative ideas that are applicable to your college and could serve as powerful fuel to your goals and strategies. I'm really looking forward to these presentations, and the presenters are so accomplished and they are lecturing on topics that are not only seminal to this moment in time, but should offer insight into what's next for higher education. So I'm very excited.